Viewers, welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. I create a video, long flower vase decoration ideas. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is the heart of every relationship. Together is my favorite place to be. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love grows stronger when shared. You complete me in every way. Our love is endless, like the stars. You're my person, my love, my everything. In your arms, I've found my home. Love is not finding someone to live with, but someone you can't live without. Every moment with you is a treasure. Our love story is my favorite chapter. You are my dream come true. Forever is not long enough with you. With you, life is sweeter. I choose you, always and forever. Love is friendship set on fire. Your love is my greatest strength. We're better together. Love is the bridge between us. You're my sunshine on cloudy days. My heart beats only for you. You're my once-in-a-lifetime love. The best part of my day is you. We are two souls, one heart. Your love is my favorite gift. Together, we are unstoppable. You are my heart's greatest joy. Love is a journey we take together. My love for you knows no bounds. You are the reason my heart smiles. You are my greatest adventure. True love begins with you. With you, every moment is magical. Our love is the key to happiness. You light up my world. I found my forever in you. Love is the glue that binds us. You're the missing piece to my puzzle. Our love is timeless and true. I'm lucky to call you mine.